Alright, welcome to class, folks. Today we're going to talk about filming birds. It's been a good year. The last time I was here, there was a bird right there, right in that tree. Now it's been a while. Right now all I see is this wasp. But wasps are friends too. Alright, let's go outside. It's important that you have a door and open it, because opening doors is really the only way to find opportunities. So make sure you close that door though, so no one steals your opportunities. It's a little windy out. You can see, look at all that wind. I haven't seen a bird in a while. I don't know if there are any left. But I remember I heard one once. But that was before the war. If you look right here, you can see there's a tree. There aren't a lot of them left. I mean, there are a lot right here. But not that way. We still got stairs. They don't have those in the city anymore. The sky's still blue, so I guess that's good. The world isn't totally over if the sky is blue, right? I think there was a bird up there once before too. Most of them were gone before I was born. That was 3005. A little while now. I'm 23 and sometimes I still hear them chirping late at night. But not today. They say the birds went extinct at least 7 years ago. I swear I've seen some since. But then again, maybe not. It's kind of sad, I guess. Anyone younger than me probably hasn't seen a bird. Or at least they don't remember it. I guess there aren't any here today. But we tried. Now, if you ever see a bird, you understand the basics of how to film it.